Running late. It's your boy. Hold up. Oh god damn, I wasn't even recording. Damn it. Y'all missed the startup and everything. But look, this is the Startup King. I am back with another video. I am running late. I gotta meet the homie Blurry Face Jay. He is on his way up to Audio Raps. He got the F-150 Platinum. He getting it wrapped. And he getting the lift kit on there. So I'm running late, damn it. So I gotta go. I'll see y'all in a minute. I had to get caught by that damn train, bro. I was making good time too. I had to get caught by the stinking train, bro. And it's hot as hell. It is baking. Just when you thought it was over. Like, it was like cold as hell for a couple of days. Now it's like, alright, train moving. I see y'all. Ooh, that's the new thing. Platinum. Y'all already see. Y'all know where we at. Audio, y'all. What's going on, fellas?
What's up, man?
What's good? What's going on?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Chilling, brothers. What's going on?
What's going on? What's up, bro?
What's going on?
Doing a vlog. Before and after of this.
That's gonna be a crazy before, man.
Oh yeah.
That antenna, you want it white?
No, I bought the little antenna.
Oh, you have it?
No, it's
Oh yeah, you know we Air Max Nike'd out. And don't get it misconstrued. Like tall guys say, this is the platinum.
no. You believe that whatever color you wrap it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever color you wrap it. No, that's the navigation. I thought you was talking about those things be the navigation. I thought you was talking about this for the
Y'all already know, platinum. Ain't gonna do nothing less, baby. Oh shit, this shit comfortable as hell, man. This shit comfortable than a mug. Damn, I like this shit, man. Got the brown interior. You already know he finna get all this done, man. Finna get it tinted out. He finna get the lift. He finna get the wrap done. You already know, man. It's finna be cracking. But again, gotta check them Air Max. She did. Ooh, I be styling. You know I be Nike'd out. Alright, look at it. get the Tesla.
Okay.
Go mango, go mango, go mango, go mango. Oh yeah, I gotta see the windshield. Got the windshield done. God damn. That's crazy.
I know that was you.
I ain't even know you was in this motherfucker. Damn. Hey, that let y'all know right there. They did a good ass job, goddammit, because I didn't see her. I'm at the front of the window. I ain't see nobody in there, motherfucker. That's a big ass windshield, ain't it? Y'all had fun doing that one? Y'all see I switched the tips out. I put the I had the black tips on there, but they was bolt-ons. I put them on there myself. The bumper I had got was too small, so I already had took it off. So I had got the correct one in, and I'm like, shit, I ain't finna pay you $100. All I gotta do is just clamp that shit on. So I'm like, I ain't finna take it back up there to the people that took it out. So I just put the right one on there. I brought all the rivets, and they did the intake. I put the intake in there, and I was like, you know what? Could y'all just straighten the tips out for me? And them shits was crooked as hell, man. I was like, I did a better job than they did. So I just went to go get the welded joints. So I just went with the chrome tips. I got the mufflers cut too. So that motherfucker much louder now.
Yeah.
Go mango. Just think when they get lift, I'm gonna have to put the camera up here.
I can still just like leave this hand.
Yeah. So you good with these guys already?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it out.
I got the video posting with the with me getting the tent done.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I got that one. That's the next one that's coming.
Alright. Did you just get that ink?
Nah, yeah.
That's nice.
Matter of fact, it's not the one with the tent. It's the one when I came up here before I got the tent and got the price. So that one coming, and then the one when I got the tent, that's coming next. Man, make sure y'all go to the channel and subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, all that shit. Do all of it. Got big whips out here right now. I got some more people too coming through the to get some tent done too. It's like once everybody seen me post the clip on Instagram, everybody just started hitting me up.
You blew up?
Yeah, man. It's like, man.
What's your thing again? Kings?
Yup.
All one?
Yup. Matter of fact, the place I got my tattoo at, I think y'all did the banner for them.
Is that it?
This one right here.
That one?
Yeah.
I subscribed on 2 different ones now on yours.
Oh, okay.
So I used another name on the other one, and then this one is my new phone. So.
All right, appreciate it.
Man, that fucking Hellcat was sick.
I just did that intro.
This one?
Yeah.
How long does it take to do that stuff?
Man,
To edit and all that.
a lot of people like me. I used to do like a lot of cuts, but a lot of people like they just straight video, like they just give you like raw footage.
Yeah.
Me it probably take, man, it take a couple hours.
Yeah.
Cause I'm like strategic and shit, so but the actual uploading video, like it takes forever I don't know why, like it takes so long to upload the video on YouTube.
I wonder if YouTube actually goes over the video, over the content.
It might. Cause the video with me, the one I'm saying that's dropping, it's the day I went to go get the car, then I came up here. Man, I've been loading that video for like 2 days now.
Man. You got a cold air intake on that?
Yup.
I just did one for a guy the other day.
I got a air raid.
Oh, yeah.
It's big as hell.
Yeah, we put a can in his.
I gave you the kick now.
That windshield, how dark that is. That shit dark. What you got on your windshield? 20. Shit, that motherfucker dark.
5 all the way around and 20 on the windshield.
Dark.
Damn, that's presidential, goddamn. That's motorcade dark. That shit dark. Look at that joint.
How this shit gonna turn out? I up my insurance policy.
Yeah, I was gonna say, and let the rest do what it do. Exactly. You hit that right on the head.
Shit. So, yeah, we finna find out.
There you go. All right, and I did my day's work here at Brass and stuff. I gotta run out here and pick up some money, go to the bank, stop at the post office, and me and Natty gonna be at the crib chilling.
Okay.
All right, bro. Give me a call. You need anything?
All right, for sure.
All right, later.
Look at some wheel styles just to like get an idea.
That door is closed. I don't know.
I wore the wrong shoes.
Them Air Max. Those were never the wrong shoes.
He don't buy.
You walking on the wrong floor today.
Who don't buy it?
The dog?
You got keys?
Yeah.
Yeah, you might.
Nah, he's a good boy. So, alright, so like, do you want blank or chrome? And then we could kind of.
Probably a black wheel.
A black? Okay.
I'm looking for a lip. I want that poke out.
So look, so any of the, I mean, all of these are gonna poke
Okay.
out. That's a 12 wide. That's 10. That's 14. Well, I mean, it's concave, so it doesn't. This is a 14 wide. So that's a 24 by 14. Obviously, we'll put bigger tires on whatever we're going to do.
Yeah, the concave. I like the concave.
I actually like this one though, to be honest.
That's a fuel sledge.
Yeah.
And then as far as tire, I mean, this is a 35-inch tire. You want something bigger? Or?
What you think? Was that leaving enough meat on that tire though?
Yeah, it'll
I don't want it to look like a ram. I want it to look like.
Y'all wanna know something crazy? That every time that I think I'm recording, I'm not recording. So hold on, watch this. Check this out. I'm finna switch the set. See, when I go to edit this shit, I'm gonna be confused as hell because I wasn't filming, but now I'm filming. So I don't even know what y'all heard or didn't hear, and I ain't finna go back and check this shit. So like I said, they in there discussing the lift for the truck. He was gonna go high like how Life of Corey got his shit up, but he was like, nah, that shit too big. So what he gonna do is he gonna go with like y'all know like the little low lift, but it's gonna be like, you know, kind of squatted with the wheels poking out. So he gonna go with that. Right now they in there looking at the wheels and shit and the big ass tires. If you go in there and pick that out, yeah, I'm gonna give y'all another shot of that thing there, and that is a wrap. If y'all seen the video when I did the review on the Tesla, it was black, but he got chrome delete and he got it all. I think it's satin white, so that shit dope. And then he took it to audio wraps and they did the windshield. Man, this shit, man, I just wish it stayed hot all the time so we can just sit and do this shit. You know, we can drag our feet with this shit, but a lot of this stuff, like with me, like since I'm getting my rims painted, I'm kind of decent, so I don't have to like switch my rims out and do all that extra shit. So, I could pretty much ride how I'm riding all year round. Then, you know, plus I'm trying to get that clear coat on there, not the clear coat, but the ceramic coating on there. So with the weather and all that shit, I should be decent. But like what he doing, like he getting the rims and all, I mean, but it's gonna be a truck, that shit gonna be lifted, so he's straight. But like, you know, regular joint, if I put rims on the Charger, you know, I gotta switch them shits out and all that, but I ain't got time for all that. So that's why I'm like, you know what, let's go ahead and get them blacked out. And since I'm out this way, I'm gonna pull up to the spot that's gonna take the scratch out the door. I'm gonna see how much they gonna charge me to get the rims painted. And I know I got a few scratches in the wheels, so I know they're gonna have to sand that shit out or whatever. And I'm gonna compare it to the prices at the other spot. When I showed y'all, when I first showed y'all the Tesla, we had went to the other spot and where he got the wrap done, and they said they want 800. So we gonna see if the spot that's gonna do the door got a better price for this for the rims. And if they got a better price, then you know, of course we gonna go who got the better price. I seen it work for both. So that's not the issue. It's all about the price at this point. So whoever got the best price, that's what we gonna roll with. I'm finna go in here, man. We finna see what's happening. I'll see y'all in a minute. Got the air suspension on there. Shit. I ain't know it looked like that. I guess the wheels gotta go somewhere, right? Oh, can we get the Air Max one more time? Can we get the Air Max one more time? You ain't styling like me. Startup gang, what's happening? It's a nice day, hot outside. Up here with Blurry Face J. Right thing, Range Rover. Sitting here getting the price on the lift. So he gonna get the F-150 Platinum lifted. It's at the wrap place now. They gonna start on the wrap, then he getting that lift. He just picked the wheels out. We just picked the tires out. I think they picked the lift too, so I guess they just pricing everything right now. So, you know, money talks, bullshit prices walk. So we gonna see what they come up with. You dig? Alright, man, you pretty much got everything picked out for the truck.
All at once.
Y'all can see it's a long list right there. See, we gonna cover up the prices. Cover up the prices. So just y'all can see what's going on there. Got wheels, tires, sensors, lug nuts. Got the lift kit. We got the rock lights. Got the intake, dual exhaust. So y'all, it's gonna be sounding beastie as hell when it come out. Man, got the calibers. You gonna get the calibers gonna be the same color as the Tesla.
Yeah, yellow.
Oh yeah. We got the bed cover, and I think he adding some more. So you know,
Let's see what else. Let's see.
the list ain't never done.
Don't make it. You like that truck?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a totally different truck than this one.
I'm gonna take you to school in it. You just tell them boys your daddy will run them over. Alright? That's how I do it. I got twin daughters, but I got 3 daughters. No boys.
Damn.
Got a lot of guns.
I got 3 sisters, man.
Straight up. I'm like that too. I'm the only boy from my mama's side.
I was the only boy up until like a year ago.
Straight up. Yeah,
I'm the middle child and the oldest at the same time.
I got so much patience with women. They like, how are you so patient? Like shit, my motherfucking sister got polar. You grew up in the house with her, shit. You had to learn how to let some shit just slide. That motherfucker, you feel her. Always had a dream.
You gotta let a nigga in. And you know you gotta let a nigga in. Oh, there we go. Oh shit.
You see the button right there in front of you?
Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib.
Getting ready for their young rap. Wait till y'all see this when it's done, man. See, taking the chrome off. Panels out. De-chroming. All that's coming off. All that's coming off. See this? All that's coming off. No chrome. You blacking it out?
Latter's gonna be in black. We'll do the letters in black. And then the rest of it will just be wrapped in white.
Ah, you finna snap. Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all know I'm finna get all this shit, don't worry.
I think that's gonna look cold from the back though.
Oh yeah. It's gonna pop out.
Yeah.
Yeah. You blocking the mirrors out too?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Y'all already know, man.
All chrome delete.
We live for this shit. Ooh, y'all already know before we go. It's the end of the video, man. It's time for that sweet sound to make the neighbors frown. It is. I'm out of here, y'all. Okay, y'all. Did some crazy shit, cause I just got caught in like, it's like a tornado, the tornado warning going on. Look at this shit. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but look at this shit. I wanna bust a move, but I don't. I'm like, I'm stuck. I don't know what the fuck to do. This shit is crazy. Alright, y'all, this shit crazy. Tornado out here and shit. It's raining bad as hell. It's flooding everywhere and shit. I'm out here in the middle of no man's land trying to get back to the crib. And my daughter's at the crib. My wife's still at work, so hopefully she's decent for right now. Well, I ain't gonna say for right now, hopefully she's decent. Just talked to the girl, so it's just thundering over there, but I don't right now, so it's doing everything over here where I'm at though. Shit. Damn, I was about to go grab me a smoothie and everything, bro. Damn. Mother Nature said nope. Oh man, I was about to go grab me some Jamba Juice.
In 800 feet, turn right onto East Washington Street.
Well, I hear in the Hemi.
Take the next right onto East Washington Street.
You drive like you got some set shit. You can still drive in any weather in this mug, you dig? Oh, we're gonna let everybody pass. We're gonna let everybody pass. Oh, he's turning.
Continue on East Washington Street for 8 miles.
8 Mile Road. Case Jizak, boy. Every time I'm doing some car stuff, it gotta rain, bro. Oh, check that out. Gonna see a lot of that out here, shit. Oh, the thunder sounded like a Hemi out here. Alright, 23 minutes before we to the crib. Let's get there, baby. Let's get there. Start up game. Can the Hemi make it through the tornado? Oh shit. Oh damn. Let's get up out of here, man. Let's get up out this thing. Shit. This weather acting a fool challenge. Damn. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Let me drive. Damn, look at that. I'm gonna get some more footage though, but let me drive.